let's take a look at the Pages area within the LMS. So over here on the left hand side, you see that we have Classes and Pages. Classes area gives you the option to go in here and do this post, assignments, and events, and it gives your students the ability to go in here and leave comments on anything, those sorts of things. It also allows your students to join your classroom with a class code, and it shows your students that have joined using that class code on this class roster. With Pages, let's go in here and add a page. So we click on the Add Page button, go in here and select a page title. So maybe I just want a Computer Apps page because I have a Computer Apps class. If you want to have a parent page here, you can go in here and do that as well. Let's click on Add Page, and you see that it adds it for us down here, and here is the name. To get your page set up and running, the first thing that you have to do is go in here and add a row. If you click on Add Row, you have multiple layouts that you can go in here and select. And the thing to keep in mind when choosing a layout is this is how your page is going to display to the end users. So pick a layout that you like. You can go in here and change it at any time. So I'm going to go in here and select this layout because I'm thinking I could have, my links and stuff here, and I could have my main page content right here. So let's select this one. You see that it adds it in there for us. And now we have the option to go in here and insert these modules. So if I want to insert a module right here, I can go over here and either add text, assignments, posts and events, things like that. So let's say right here, I just maybe want to throw in some text. And when you do that, it brings up the text editor. You can go in here, type in whatever you want, and then click on Save. So there's our text. And then you can go over here and insert another module in. So that area is bigger, so maybe I want to have that as a post area. And you see right here that when you click on Post, it's saying which classes do you want to show your post from. So maybe I want to pull those from my Computer Apps class. Click on Save, and it tells me that that content's been saved, and there's my widget. I can also go in here and add another row with a different layout if I want to. So maybe I want these halves. I can go in here, insert modules, and then I want to, let's say, pull my assignments from Computer Apps, and then maybe I want to pull my events from Computer Apps. Click on Save. You see right here that we have this all set up. If you want to move these around, it's drag and drop. If you want to do that, you can move them around. You can also move these up and down here if you want to. But that's how you do that. So now you notice there is a public link option up here at the top. If you click on that, you see that it shows our layout, and it's got all our events and Computer Apps assignments set up here. Now you notice this theme and this background here, and you see how this is all set up. That is dependent upon our theme, which is covered in a different training video. And there's also layouts and themes that you can pick from. So this is what would show up to the public right here. If we go back here and we click on this little wheel right here, we have the option to go in here and change this page title. If we want to give another teacher access, we would just go in here and type their name right here. We also have the option to set this as the home page if we want to, and if we need to go in here and change a parent page, we can do that here as well. You can also delete this page and unpublish this page. So if we want to click on Unpublished Page right there and say, okay, unpublish it, you can always go into the Unpublished Pages area, and you see that it shows up right here. Click on this wheel, click on Restore, and then it restores that page back there. If you want to see the public link, that's what this little eye is for right here. It brings it up in a new window, and this is what it looks like right here. Instead of having to go to this public link box right here, you can use it from right there within the LMS, and it shows right there. That's Pages within the LMS system. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and be sure to view the themes video tutorial as well, because it shows you some neat things that you can do to customize your pages the way they look.